can't believe I'm finally in front of the camera. Mic शुरू किया मेरा. Hi, I'm Srishti Sharma. Panic भाई मैं क्या बोल रही. Long story short, this space is more like a diary because why not? Yes, I do have thoughts. I already have a lot of experiences to share. So, and I want to document it and I want to show it to the world. My teacher sees this video, he'll be like, what is this? No. You should be thanking me for speaking. Hi. So, for those who know me, hi. For those who don't, video के अंदर जान जाओ more than you should, but हमारा trait ही ये होता है ना, oversharing. So, we'll start with that. Hi, I'm Srishti and this is gonna be a place where I document my 20. Yes, documenting them. I started this channel because, truth to be told, I started this because it was a college project. But also because I wanted to do it from a very long time and this just gave me a reason, a push. And I think that's the problem with us कि जब तक हमारे ऊपर एकदम deadline नहीं आ रहे थे ना, that last thing, that last push, we don't do anything. And by we, I mean me. I mean, it's mostly about me. But if there's anyone relating, yes, us, I'm talking about us. And as I always say in all my letters and Instagram and everything, being 20 is being clueless. Nobody actually prepared us for being here. And I really want to go back in time and redo all my childhood. So at least, and I am here, I'm prepared. But also, what's the point of it? If there's uncertainty, that's life. Oh, this is the spoon where this spoon will help me cook my life, which I'm already doing, but really make a good dish or something out of it sometime. Yeah, so mostly this page is gonna be about experiences, stories, my thoughts. Yes, I do have thoughts, really good ones, philosophical ones and then shitty ones, but yeah, mostly philosophical ones. I don't even know the perfect definition of philosophy, but who cares? Stories, experiences, questions, mostly questions and rants, because I rant a lot. And I do it in front of the camera and think that I'm an influencer, which I'm not definitely, but if I influence you to maybe decrease your screen time, which I really hope you do, but even in a less screen time, please do watch my videos. I never said anything, but yeah, then I'll call myself an influencer. Okay, I'll be talking ऐसा gibberish सा बीच में subtitle error होने वाला. हमारी जनरेशन कुक हो चुकी है भाई. इस हिसाब से हम हरकतें कर रहे हैं ना, मतलब मैं तो पर्सनली मेरी बात कर रही हूँ. This is not a motivational YouTube channel because you must be thinking that this channel will teach us how to figure out life. No, you are wrong. This channel is about how I will figure out my life and will see it to might be a part of it. So I was like, मतलब लाइफ तो फिक्र करनी ही है तो मतलब अकेले क्यों करो, थोड़ा 200 लोगों के सामने कर लेता है, क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है मतलब. This space is more like a diary and not giving out advices, but yes, I'll be giving out my experiences and if that like helps you, who knows. There's a quote that I like about Oscar Wilde. He says that to live is the rarest thing. Most people actually just exist. And I want to learn. And I want to document it and I want to show it to the world. And that's how I get here. I had a YouTube channel 5 years ago which had 500 subscribers where I used to post my poems and I was very excited about it. But that's again my problem that I take up things and I leave them midway. I don't know why. I started learning guitar, I left it. I started learning karate, I left it. I started learning a lot of things in middle, dancing, singing, everything that you can think of, and I left it midway. There's nothing that I'd actually continue. I started posting on Instagram. I actually got a lot of really good views in the beginning, but then I lost my consistency and I lost my views as well. And I lose like about 50 to 100 followers every freaking day. What it takes to be consistent. Comment में बता दो मतलब क्या ही है. But there are days when I feel like I want to be really productive, so these are like spouts of days, where spouts of energy that I get when I feel that I'll wake up early and then I'll go for a walk and then like the day would be good, and I do that. Like half of the thing I do, I wake up early, I go out and then I go to college with lots of energy and I come back and then I do all of it. I'll be sleeping on the bed, not because I want to sleep, because I have definitely completed 10 hours of sleep earlier, but just because I don't feel like it. But that should not be an excuse, I guess. Just because you don't feel like it does not mean you won't do it, because मन का क्या है, मन तो कभी नहीं करेगा, तुम्हें तो करना होगा, राइट. मतलब मैं मोटिवेशन बहुत अच्छा दे सकती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, पर मैं खुद मोटिवेट नहीं हो पाती हूँ. And I think that's हम सबका ही प्रॉब्लम है. Here in this phase there's a lot of confusion कि भाई क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. And even though there's a lot of motivation as well कि now you have to do it, but there's also a lot of things that are like keeping you back and like something which like really demotivates you. There's like purposeless. Till now I think my life is really purposeless and I don't know. I want to do big things in my life, but I don't know what that big thing is. And I think that's keeping me down. I don't know what. But there are days when I just sleep off the day. Like the day just goes by because I was in the bed and I didn't feel like doing anything. And I don't think that shouldn't be happening. Because that's very wrong. What is a man without a purpose? It's like a tree without roots. Oh wow, did I just make it? Have I bought it somewhere? I don't know. But I'm really interested in good museums, good books. I love reading books and I really, really recommend Fun in the next speakers coming up. Thanks for listening, and if no, why am I thanking you for listening? You should be thanking me for speaking. Thank me later in the comments, maybe. Yeah, if this sounded familiar, if this is something that you relate to, tag along, come in this journey with me. You'll have loads of fun. You can also DM me on my Instagram for more future ideas or something that you want me to talk about, some experience that you want me to share on your behalf. I already have a lot of experiences to share, so if it's in time to come out, but yeah, that's all. See. कंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं, मतलब कैमरा पे वेल लेंगे जो आराम से। और तुम्हें अपना 2x में क्यों बोल रहे हो पता नहीं। What is this space for? क्या बोली कुछ तो बोलना पड़ेगा, प्रोजेक्ट है ये, मैं इंट्रो के लिए रख दूँगी। कंप्लीट करना है 20 नंबर सवाल है। यस 20 नंबर मैटर नहीं करते लाइफ में। क्या करते हैं पता नहीं, कुछ तो बोल रही है, कुछ तो सेंस बनाएगा ये शायद। That's all.